This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, November 6th, 2015. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have one system departing the area. That's going to bring a couple of clouds across our northern counties, where some partly sunny skies will be. Otherwise, some mostly sunny skies in our southern counties, but it's going to be very cold. Highs in the upper 40s north to the lower and middle 50s south, with plenty of sunshine, as I mentioned. Some brisk northwest winds may bring a little bit of a chill to the air, but it shouldn't be too terribly bad. Into tonight, temperatures will drop into the 30s for the most part. Maybe a little bit of frosty conditions in some of the protected areas. Saturday, not much different. Highs still in the upper 40s to mid 50s, but more sunshine, fewer clouds around, and clear skies into Saturday night into Sunday could bring temperatures down to freezing or maybe a couple degrees below that, especially in our northern and northeastern counties. Then on to the day Sunday, we should see temperatures a few degrees warmer than on Saturday, 50s, maybe around 60 in our southern counties, and it looks to be the same here as we move into Monday. Plenty of sunshine around, 50s to maybe around 60, maybe some lower 60s in our southern and southwestern counties. With winds coming out of the south, this is going to be ahead of the next system that's going to be taking shape across the plain states. A little bit of Gulf of Mexico moisture trying to come up from the Gulf into at least the Arklatex region, but this system, as we move toward late Tuesday night and into Wednesday, does not look as impressive as it has the last couple of days. It could bring us a little bit of activity, mainly early or late Tuesday night into early on Wednesday, and then it pulls off to the east. Temperatures will likely be dropping through the day slowly on Wednesday into around the 50-degree mark or so, but that cold weather kind of bounces back here as we move toward Thursday, as temperatures will be back into at least the 50s, which is fairly seasonal for this time of the year for most of the state. Plenty of sunshine around, with another frontal system kind of coming in from the north and west. It'll come through fairly dry, as most of the moisture with it. It'll be well up to our north, but you can see the trough axis moving just to the east of the state. All that's going to do is bring the winds back around to the north and west and could cool us down even further, maybe back into the upper 40s for highs on Friday and maybe onto the following Saturday as well. Bigger system off to our north and west over the Pacific Northwest into western Canada could be something we'll have to watch during the extended period. And speaking of the extended period, as we go toward around the 17th of November, you can see a trough axis right across the middle part of the country. That's going to be with a storm system that's going to be bringing down a little bit more cold air with some precipitation along it. Maybe some rain, maybe some other stuff. We'll just have to wait and see. Very fluid situation. It's still a week and a half away. Plenty of moisture with it as well over the Gulf Coast into the Mid-South, Tennessee, Ohio River valleys as well. Then as we go to the end of the forecast around the 21st, which is the weekend before Thanksgiving, see a trough digging in across the west and a bit of a flat ridge across the rest of the country from about the Rockies eastward. That means temperatures here will be pretty much near seasonal levels, maybe a tad above it. Big stiffs out west producing rain, mountain snow. They desperately need it out there. A little bit of precipitation along the Gulf Coast, but around here it looks fairly dry, fairly comfortable for the weekend before Thanksgiving, but things could still change. Satellite image from last evening shows changes coming, or changes have moved away. You see frontal system, showers, thunderstorms along it, pulling away from the state. Cold air coming in from the north and west, warmer air ahead of it. A lot of clouds off to our west as well. A lot of winter weather advisories in Idaho and Montana. Frost and freeze conditions over the desert southwest, especially in the mountain areas up into the Oklahoma-Texas panhandle. Flash flood watches continue over Texas up into western Arkansas, where they could still see plenty of rain. This is precipitation through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, maybe Tuesday evening. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday evening. Nothing around here. Most of the precipitation you see fell last night.